Hello everyone and welcome to chapter number 9 of Statistics for Economics. The name of the chapter is Measures of Central Tendency, Arithmetic Mean. So today in this video we will learn about the first topic of chapter 9, that is Arithmetic Mean for ungrouped data. So let's begin. First we need to understand about measures of central tendency. What is meant by measures of central tendency? A measure of central tendency is a single value that attempts to describe a set of data by identifying the central position within that set of data. So suppose a set of data is given and measures of central tendency will describe the central position of that set of data. As such, measures of central tendency are sometimes called measures of central location. The mean, median and mode are all valid measures of central tendency but under different conditions. Some measures of central tendency become very appropriate to use than others. So under measures of central tendency, we will be learning about mean, median and here you can see that as stated earlier that we will be learning about measures of three things under measures of central tendency, that is median, which tells us the mid value of the data, mean is the average of the data, and mode gives the most commonly occurring value. So we will be studying about one by one of each of the measures of central tendency, and we will be starting first with mean. Let us now understand about arithmetic mean. Mean or arithmetic mean refers to the sum of all variables divided by the number of variables. So it is the definition, and basically the calculation is also done on the same way. It is the sum of observation divided by number of observations or number of variables. It is the most popular technique of finding out the average of values. And the same method is also being used to find out the average of the values. It is also referred to as arithmetic mean or average in day-to-day life. So arithmetic mean is also known as average in day-to-day life. Now coming to types of arithmetic means. Arithmetic mean is of two types, that is simple arithmetic mean and weighted arithmetic mean. So these both things we will be learning one by one. First we will learn about simple arithmetic mean, and that is the methods of calculating simple arithmetic mean. So there are there are three types of statistical series to calculate simple arithmetic mean, and as we have learned earlier also about individual series where only data will be given to us. In discrete series we will be having data along with the frequency, and in frequency distribution we will be having class interval and along with the frequency. So there will be different methods of calculating simple arithmetic mean under this different statistical series. As in this video, we will be learning about arithmetic mean for ungrouped data. So we will understand about ungrouped data, and from ungrouped data how we are going to calculate arithmetic mean. For ungrouped data, arithmetic mean may be calculated by applying any of the following method. So these two are the most commonly used and also the popular method for ungrouped data to calculate arithmetic mean, that is direct method and shortcut method. So let us understand one by one each of the method. Coming to direct method, it is calculated by the following formula. So formula is quite important for you to learn and remember. Here it is written x bar is equal to sigma x upon n, where x bar denotes arithmetic mean of the population, n is total number of observations in a population, and sigma x means sum of all the observation. So with the help of this formula, by applying direct method, we can calculate arithmetic mean for ungrouped data. Let us take one example. Example here is, find out arithmetic mean of the following observation, and the data are 10, 15, 30, 7, 42, 79 and 83. So this is the question. Now what will be the solution? As we will be using direct method to find out arithmetic mean, so we will place the same formula, that is x bar is equal to sigma x upon n. Where x bar, how we will be calculating sigma x, that is sum of all the observation. So all the data we are going to add, and this total we will be getting as 216. N is number of observations. So how many? What are the number of observation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So here we will be writing as 7. N is equal to 7. Placing these number into the formula, that is x bar is equal to sigma x upon n is equal to 266 upon 7. And x bar we will be getting as 38. So 38 will be the arithmetic mean or the mean calculated by direct method. Coming to the next method, that is called a shortcut method to calculate arithmetic mean. In the case of shortcut method, the concept of arbitrary mean, also called as assumed mean, is followed. So it is like slightly different from direct method. The formula for calculation of arithmetic mean by shortcut method is given below. So this one is the formula, and the formula is x bar is equal to a plus sigma d upon n, where a is equal to arbitrary or assumed mean, d is deviation of the arbitrary or assumed mean, which is calculated by this way, that is d is equal to x minus a. X will be the data given to us, and from that data only we will be considering one as assumed mean, and we will be subtracting each of the data to get the deviation. We will understand this with the help of one example, okay? And n is total number of observation in a population. Let us take one example to understand this one. Example here is data of import of a certain firms of year 2010 are mentioned below in the form of table. Firm is given as, in the first row we have firm which is from A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And the value of import in terms of rupees, it is given as 27, 32, 34, 39, 56, 62 and 70. So this is the question. From the above data, calculate average value of import from these firms using shortcut method. So we have to calculate average value, that is the mean value, by using shortcut method. So let us calculate now. As we will be using the same formula, that is x bar is equal to a plus sigma d upon n, and we are going to place this one as in the firm. We have placed this in the first column and import which is x. Okay, here the number, that is x, given to us. Now what we will be taking a over here, that is assumed mean. The mid value we will take here, assumed mean to be as assumed mean, that is the mid value of the column x is 39. So 39 we will take here as a. Now each of the x we are going to subtract it with 39, means 27 minus 39, 12. 32 minus 39 minus 7, 34 minus 39 minus 5, 39 minus 39 0, 56 minus 39 17, 62 minus 39 23 and 17 minus 39 31. So this is the value of d what we will be getting. Now in order to find out sigma d, we will be adding all the values of d, and then we will get as sigma d is equal to 47. Now as we got sigma d is equal to 47 and we have calculated n is equal to 7. Now placing these numbers into the formula of shortcut method, that is x bar is equal to a plus sigma x sigma d upon n. As we will put this the numbers into the formula, then we will get the arithmetic mean or the average using shortcut method as rupees 45.71. So 45.71 rupees is the average or the arithmetic mean value of the firms. So with this, we came to an end of the first video where we have learned about arithmetic, how to calculate arithmetic mean from ungrouped data. With the help of this video, kindly try to solve other related questions or problem from your book, from the reference book, which will make your things like easy, and you will be like understand the things more clearly and easily. Thank you.